Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials. In this video we are going to see that what we can do if by opening the personalized settings or the display settings we are getting an error. So suppose you want to personalize your display settings of your PC. If you right click here, then there are two options available: display settings and personalized settings. So if you click on either of those and you get an error, instead of getting the window like this, then what step you need to follow is what we're going to discuss in this video. So this step is pretty simple. Go to the search bar and type in cmd. That should show you the command prompt, but we do not need to open the command prompt from here. We need to open it from here that says run as administrator. It will ask you for access, so just provide it an access by clicking on yes. Then over here just type this command. So what is this command? This is the location where you need to add this command, that is c/windows/system32. If you see on your command prompt, this is already typed. Okay, so the command that we actually need to type is dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore health. So we can just copy this whole command and paste it on the command prompt. Then you can press enter, and once you have done this, it will take about 30 minutes to 1 hour to clean your computer, to fix all the errors. And then once the cleanup is done, then you can restart your PC and you will see that your error has been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.